Okay, first of all, let's check the inspirational picture from Pinterest. Look at this table decoration. In fact, I already made a lot of decoration like this, but today let's focus on this box, this mirror box. Today I will show you how to DIY the mirror board and show you the effect by using this mirror board to make the decoration like this. Okay, now let's go. Okay, first of all, we need to use a hard cardboard and cut the small piece for the box. Okay, look, this is the small piece I cut to make the box. The following, we need to cut the soft mirror also. This is the soft mirror. Okay, very simple. Okay, and then cut it off. Okay, look, this is soft mirror piece I cut. And the next step, we need to face the mirror onto the cardboard. Okay, look, all the cardboard were faced with the soft mirror. So the next step, we need to make the box. Very simple. I use white glue. You can use another glue you like by instead. Okay, the following, we need to use some hot glue. Okay, completed with the box. Look, and very sturdy. Okay, then let's tear off the protecting layer. Okay, completed with the mirror box. Okay, look. And for your information, since I'm making this mirror box by using the soft mirror, it's not a real glass mirror. So the effect will be not much good as the real mirror, but the effect really pretty. And we can use this method to make any size of the box we want, and it will not easy to be broken. Okay, then let's use this mirror board together with the flower arrangement, flower stand centerpiece to make the table decoration. Okay, look, this is all the items I will use to decorate the table. Our flower stand, glass ball, flower arrangement, LED candle, candle holder, and the print. Okay, now let's go on. Okay, look, about the flower arrangement. Look, if you watch my channel, there's a lot of video to show you how to make the flower arrangement like this. I don't repeat it on this video, but I will show you the material. I make it with this type of floral foam. Let's check the shortcut of the old tutorial. Okay, look, so this is how the flower arrangement I make. And on this video, I will use this candle holder and stick them together and put it on our glass ball, mirror box. Look, you can use hot glue, and actually there are some glue on the back side of the floral foam. Yes, the floral foam. Okay then, let's put on the other flower arrangement and show you the effect. Look, completed. Let's check the effect. This is the whole looking after I complete to arrange all the decoration items. Okay, firstly, our flower and our mirror, DIY mirror box. Look, they come out really elegant. In reality, I hope you can check the effect from the screen. And our flower stand. For your information, we supply all the material used on our video. If you are interested to order, you can inbox us via Facebook page for the price. You can find the link to our Facebook page from the information field below the video. Okay, let's check the effect again. Okay, let's turn off the light to check the effect from darker environment. The come out will be very, very beautiful in reality. Please do me a favor by do not skip the advertisement when you're watching the video, because I need the revenue from YouTube to buy more material and take more video. The mirror. Okay, let's check the whole effect again. Okay, I turn on the light and check it again. Okay, so this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.